Did you hear? Did you hear? What? Me and you have been chosen to go on the ark with a man called Noah and his family and live. What really? So you mean to tell me we're dead right now? No. There's going to be a big storm. Something called rain is going to fall from the heaven for 40 days and 40 nights. Every other animal besides the other that have been chosen are going to die. So you mean we get to live? Wow, we're chosen to live. When do we leave to go in this ark? Right now. Let's go. I can't wait to see it. Bye Mom, bye Dad. I'll miss you, but we have to go and help this human named Noah. Come on, we have to go before they leave us.